Hello, welcome to Land Rover Stockton. Today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover Evoque in stock. This one in particular is a D200 and it's what we call the Edition. So the Edition, it's based upon the SE specification with a couple of nice extra toys, including the exterior black pack. So black lettering, black grille. We do have the nice surround sensors, which is a standard on Range Rover Evoque, but the black pack complements that Eiger Grey paintwork beautifully. On the Edition, we get the red brake calipers, 20-inch upgraded gloss black alloy wheels, deployable door handles, power folding wing mirrors, privacy glass, and if we look around to the rear of the car, we do have a fully powered electric tailgate with what is, I would say, a really good sized boot for a compact SUV. Now, looking into the rear, we've got a fully perforated ebony leather on this car with no clear signs of wear and tear. And looking into the front, we've got electric seats for the driver and the passenger, and a part digital TFT display which reads exactly 35,400 miles. Now, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, paddles at the rear, auto lights and wipers as to be expected. But we do have a top infotainment system up here which we can actually tilt up and down depending on which viewing angle we do want. Rear view camera on the car, navigation, media functionality. We do actually have our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is all wireless on this model. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, heated windscreen as well. Twin cup holders, a little bit of storage space between the two front seats, but one nice additional bit of specification is the fact that we do have a sliding and opening panoramic sunroof. So it's a beautiful example of the Range Rover Evoque all around. It's worth noting that it is an approved vehicle, so it will come with a minimum of 12 months warranty. If you do have any further questions, please give us a call. That's on 01642 644 444. Thank you.